What's up everyone, Brad here from the Money Dad channel. In this video I want to go over a play on silver that I think could have massive payoffs because it is trending right now, not just from the stock chart pattern that I see on the silver chart, but from the Reddit and Wall Street Bets crowd jumping into silver as their next big move. So I want to go over this article that I found on cnbc.com and then jump into the chart and the pattern that I found there that I think will coincide with this big move that we're seeing from the Redditors, Wall Street bettors, etc. Okay, so let's jump into this article and then I'll get into the chart. Silver futures are up Sunday night 7% as Reddit traders try their squeeze play with the metal. Now this is referring to them squeezing GameStop and other heavily shorted stocks like AMC, Nokia, American Airlines, things like that. Anything that had a big short interest float was getting squeezed last week and shooting up for huge profits. And the big one there was GameStop that was up. It went from like $30 to like almost $500 in a week. So that is the retail investors all grouping up and kind of trying to take down these big hedge funds that were heavily shorting these stocks. So now it appears their next target is silver, and that's what this article is talking about here. Future contracts for silver surged higher on Sunday night as the Reddit-fueled boom in highly shorted stocks appears to be spilling over into the metals market, right? Silver futures are up big. They're saying even the stocks of the companies that mine silver are up big, and they're probably going to be up big this week as well. So this is trending all over the internet right now at the hashtag SILVERSQUEEZE. So let's jump into the chart because I think there is a pattern here that is going to coincide with this silver squeeze. Look at what we have here, guys. This is a massive bull flag going on this chart. We have our flagpole right there, and then we have our overhead resistance right here, and we have our underneath support right here. Look at that. I mean, it is technically a pennant because these two lines right here are not perfectly parallel, but I mean, that doesn't get much better than that as far as a pennant goes. And this is a massive pattern. We are dating all the way back to the pandemic crash right here. This is the bottom of the crash in March of 2020, and we started just coming straight back up after the crash. That created the flagpole, and then we've been in a consolidation phase since about August. So what does this mean? This means that we're going to keep consolidating until we break out of one of these lines, and it looks like we're about to break through this roof here, this resistance, if silver futures play out the way that that article was saying. Remember, they're up 7% right now, so that would put this that would put tomorrow's open well above this resistance line. So if we break out right there, I think we are shooting much higher, and we can project the price target to the upside based off of the size of this flagpole, and this flagpole is enormous. So let's check out what that projection would be. We would start this flagpole wherever the bottom of the bull run is. So if we say the bottom of that bull run is right here, for example, then we put this flagpole right there, and we see where it gets us. It gets us to $40 on silver. Okay, that would be the price target if we break out above this resistance right here, and it looks like we are absolutely going to do that tomorrow, which is when you guys will probably see this video on Monday, February 1st. So $40 price target on silver, which is currently trading at $25. So you're talking about $15 of upside on a silver ETF. By the way, this is SLV, the silver ETF in the stock market, right? So currently trading at $25 and the price target is $40, so you got $15 of upside on a $25 ETF. So that is massive gains potential. We're talking like 60%, right? $15 on a $25 buy-in is a 60% upside. So you're talking about a ton of profit potential here if this plays out, which it does look like it's about to start playing out this week. Okay, so I think that this jump in silver futures from these Redditors is going to spark a huge rally in silver price. Like I said, we're currently trading at 25. I think we're going to $40. So had to get that out there real quick for you guys because I think there's a huge trade to be played here. If you want to get into silver, I think the easiest way to do it is to buy an index, an ETF on the stock market that tracks the price of silver. And the easiest one to do that with is SLV. You can just type in SLV and you get iShares Silver Trust iShares, right? Trades on the stock market under ticker SLV. That's the way to do it, guys. I think that's all I got for this video. I just wanted to get it out there real quick for you guys. I think I have $40 as the target for silver, and this is going to play out over, let's see, all the way through June maybe. I mean, it could absolutely get there much quicker. We've seen the Wall Street Bets crowd push stocks to astronomical levels very quickly, but I wouldn't bet on it. If it happens, great, but I wouldn't bet on it. So this trade could happen very quickly, or it could take a few months to play out. Okay, guys, that's what I got for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you are new here, if you like stock chart pattern analysis, I do stock price predictions based on these patterns. Hit that subscribe button. We've been having a lot of fun with this and making some money with it as well. Okay, so I'll see you down in the comments and in the next video. Thanks, guys.